So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete a file from Drive. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account with your Gmail ID. So let's open it. So this is the video which I want to delete. So you should have to tap on three dot here, then scroll down and you can see the option called move to trash. So tap on it and confirm it by tapping on move to trash. Your video will be deleted for forever after 30 days. Before 30 days you can recover your video. So tap on move to trash. So now you can refresh it. Yeah, your video is gone. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.